came out of. But I don't think there were any doors to go out. But there's another blanket there. Nice little communal area. Nice couch. You can, I think they have games here that you can use while you're staying here. Got a good sized TV there. Got a bathroom there. That's pool and stuff out there. You got like a computer hub type thing here. You got 2 computers. Piano. Nice quilt. Please ask permission to play the piano. Okay. You got a water fountain and got stuff for your what you call thing? Is this? Yeah, they got board games and stuff here, card games. Apples to apples, boggle, charades, checkers, chess, shoots and light, cranium, dominoes. Not sure what that one is. Jenga, life, Mancala, memory, Monopoly, Pictionary, puzzles, Scrabble, upwards, Yahtzee. I got canasta, face 10, rook, skip, bow, and split. Stuff like that. Okay, let me go down this way. Let's see. Got dining room and stuff downstairs. I will show you that. You can get at it from 2 different directions. Greenfield dining room where we had dinner. Over here, got another dining room, more of like a banquet type. Got a smaller TV down here. That area. Some rooms here, but it's locked. And it's turned off so I can't see in. Let's see. Got restrooms, got men's there, women's over here. The seating area. And we got this to go outside. And there's the pool again. No coolers or anything like that. We got a lifeguard. Got the pool noodles and stuff. 2 guest rooms. Indoor pool and sauna, exercise room, elevator, and upper lobby. Yeah. There we go. Whew. I haven't seen this. Got a game room. I don't remember this from before. Some drinks. $3. Simpson Dream. There's the inside pool. I'll check it out, you know, after everybody's gone out. There's our favorite bridge. Got towels and stuff there. Two guest rooms and exercise rooms. Let's see. Ladies' locker room, men's. I've not seen down here before. And that goes outside too. Got men's and women's. Okay, I'll start this back up. I got some laundry pay. I don't know how much, but probably a quarter. Got detergent there. We got back here, got exercise room. Probably not much, yeah. Not much in there, a couple bikes. Let's see. My room key here. Yeah, kind of small. Fan, got TV, got water. But yeah, it's kind of small. Then go back up. If you want laundry, you got there. I don't remember being down here. It's been a while. And you go up here. It used to take you to the rooms. This building A, all guest rooms, slam A and B. This goes out to this parking lot. Let's see. We'll go back down this direction. See what all is here. And maybe tomorrow when I'm out and about, I will film a little bit more. It's too humid outside. It's even humid in here. In here. Having a house fun there. The drinks and stuff from here. Let's see which direction. I think I came in this way. Maybe. That one's. There we go. Okay. Got more. There's employees. Oh, that's an elevator. Okay. Gonna get my floors in today. Probably the next few days. Whew. And here we are back up here. Go back this way. Another lookout room. That's a lot. Okay. Well, I could probably get there, but whew. It's a pool being used. Looks like 3 feet. It's the smallest. Can't tell about over there. Probably 5. Couches, chairs. They probably have plug-ins, maybe. Okay. People are hanging their towels out to dry. A sitting room here. And now we can swim pool, dining room, that type of stuff where it just was. And we got this. Okay, this is 200 block. Should have done a video of the room before we got everything unpacked, but I can still do that. It's 215, 216. Game area here. See the pool. I believe we are that room right there. You can probably see the pool maybe. Yep. Okay. Good. Let's see. That's parking lot. It's B. 217 to 18. Yeah, I think I got a picture of the floor. Oh well. 230. 132. There we go. Another little common area of sorts. Got a playground. I'll be doing some videos outside tomorrow if the weather holds. Alright. This is B. Going down and over. There's C.